Hello everyone, hi guys, my name is Alabaola Raju. I'm the founder of ChryzHub. In this video, I'd like to share with you what I've been working on and building for the past 2 months on behalf of the ChryzHub community and the public. Without wasting much of our time, let's move and dive into it. It's actually a blog site for anyone who loves blogging or sharing knowledge. Okay, so let's start. So it's not actually hosted. So I'm going to be running it. It's here to be hosted. I'm going to be running it from my terminal here. Don't need to bother about this command. It's a Django command to run the server. Yeah. So okay, so the user is actually logged in. So I'm going to log the user out. Okay, so this is the default page of the ChryzHub blogs, and this is search bar for searching through for blogs and its categories. I'll be explaining that as we explore more into this site. Okay, so you can log in, you can sign up as an existing user or a new user. So let's create a blog. Yeah, we cannot create a blog without having an account and being logged in. So I have an admin account, so which is automatically in the form here. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, so why this image is like this is I actually edited the image. Yeah, not from the site here, but from the database. So that's why it's like this. But that's not an issue. Okay, so let's move ahead and creating the blog. So I want to choose an image for our blog. So I'm just going to choose this ChryzHub image. So I'm just going to click introduction to Python. That's the title, and the snippets. So the snippet is as you can see in the placeholder, what is this blog all about concisely. So it has a word limit. So you're going to put this a short introduction to Python language in the category. It's compulsory that every blog has a category. So these categories are going to be added by the admins. So as a user, you're just going to pick a category that is relative to your blog. So this Python. So I'm just going to copy these contents and just paste it. So let's just explore just a bit with the editor here, as you can see. So let's just check around with this. So you can bold, you can underline, you can just joke with do it around with many things here. So you can see that. So let's just post. Okay, so I told you about the image in which I deleted, so sorry about that. Maybe I can just sort that out by choosing the file and then okay. So I think that's solved now. Okay. So this is my blog. I can edit my blog, which is unique to a user. So if only the user of the blog can edit or delete his blog, as we know, so we can just change. So you can just update it, and you can see the changes there. Okay, you can also like our blog, and then you can see the profile of the author of the blog. So you can view it mainly here. So I have a profile. My profile, that's the profile. So I can edit my profile. I changed the image, the bio, which is very compulsory in this form, and then my website, Twitter, GitHub, LinkedIn, and I don't have this So that's that. So we'll actually check if they are working. And yes, so this is our LinkedIn, and then things like that, and then the top of our account. So yeah, I hope you just basically understand what I'm trying to talk about it. So account setting. So I can change my email, delete an account. Oh, sorry, but I'm actually going to fix that after this video. The typo. So I can actually edit or change my password. Yeah, so I'm going to do that on the account. Because this is my admin account, I don't want to joke with it. So I can change my name here. So I can just put something and let's just check this out. Okay, so you can see it's been changed. So I'll go back and change that to it normal the way it was before. So yeah, we're good to go. Okay, so let's create another user. So we can actually create an account using GitHub or Google. So maybe I should try that of Google. Okay, so we're gonna use this account. And I'm in. So you can notice that this user doesn't have an image here, and it doesn't have a profile, so it just needs to create a profile. So, and then I've explained this. So, okay, our email is not here, so we need to add that. So, yeah, so that's that. Okay, let's try to create a blog also. So let's create a blog about JavaScript. Okay, I'm not going to add an image to this one. So I can just put introduction to JavaScript. So choose a category, and then I'm just gonna copy this and use all these and then paste. We've actually played with this, so I'm just gonna post. Yeah, so if you can see the difference between these two accounts, but these two blogs, and the author is this one is clickable and this one is not clickable because this user has created his profile, but this present user, this login user, which is Alabama is yet to create a profile. So that's the difference. So let's check his blog from the former blog, so you can see he also is clickable, and then you can see his profile here. So let's actually take a comment. I can just comment, and then you can find it here, and still it's not clickable. So let me just make a change to that, and let's see. So I'm not going to add an image to this one, so I'm just going to put a project designer, and I'm not going to put any URL. I'm going to put okay. Okay, there's an issue here, so if you can just spare me a minute. I'm just going to fix this right now. Okay, so I think that should work now. Okay, yeah, so I already did that, sorry. Okay, so this is just a default dummy image for those who don't put an image, just fill in the space. So you can see every user have the blogs in which he or she has written in his profile. So this one, so you can just see his name and yeah, so things like that. You can just like this and can edit or delete his blog. Just delete. Okay, the blog has been deleted, but I can't delete this because it wasn't the one who actually, it wasn't this user who actually created this blog. So I hope we understand what we're seeing here. Yeah, let's try and change this password. Oops, I used my Gmail account to log into this, so getting the password might be might be somehow difficult. So I'm just gonna log out and then sign up. So let's just create a user straight from here. So okay, let me just practice in password. So I can just put I hope I write this and it goes well. Okay. I used, what was my username again? I don't remember. Chryz. Okay. Chryz. And then let me just check if this is it. That's not it. So Chryz. And then okay, so now this is an account. Yeah, so I want to check, does it have a profile? So we just want to test. Okay, his email is here, so we just want to test this. Okay, so okay, wow. Let me just look for a dummy password, so I can just put okay. So has been updated. Yeah. Okay. So what again I've not discussed about? I think basically all. So without having an account, you are limited to some things. Yeah, you can't like a blog and you can't comment, as you can see, but we can view this. You can view. Yeah, so we can view. So we can view what is here. So that's that. So in case a user forgets his or her password, so this is the function here. So I don't think this is actually working perfect. perfectly, but I tried it at a point in time, so I feel it should work. So let me just try that. So let me just to my email. So I don't think it's working perfectly. So I'm going to switch. Okay, so as I said earlier, I don't think it's working perfectly, but it was working I think a few hours ago. So this is a sample here. Yeah, so you can see, so this is going to work, so I'm going to work on that also. Yeah, so I think we get how the project or how the blog site runs. Thank you. Okay, so it also removes something. Okay, sorry. So searching for a blog, so we can search a blog through its category, the title of the blog, and the snippet. Yeah, so we can try that. So let's just search Python. Okay, let me just create a blog so that we can differentiate. Yeah, so I need to log in back. Maybe with GitHub this time. Okay. Oh no, it don't work. Shoot. Okay, I'm logged in now. So let me just create a blog. So let me just make this introduction to that for mobile developers. So let's put, I hope I have a category on that here. Wow, I don't have. Okay, maybe. Okay, this is just for testing sake. So you can just copy this and then just paste this here and see. Okay, so let's just try some things and see how this search bar works. So firstly, through the category here, we can click and can get the Python categories. So it's going to be listed here. Any blog that that falls under the category of the Python programming language. So and also out of UI UX. Okay, so that's that. So you can search for. So let me just put UI. So we can see that there. So I'm search for Python, even if I misspell it. So, okay, wow. That really worked well. So maybe something like this. Okay, so also introduction to Python. Went well. So if you notice, these two blocks start with introduction, so you can just put introduction here and then let's see. Okay, it's better, it's all working really well. And the snippets also, so that's one of its advantages also. So I think this all. Thanks for following me through this exploration of this ChryzHub blog site. I appreciate you for your time. Until we meet again, bye.